GT, my GeForce GT 960 SSC right there. So it comes from the factory already, overclocked already. We got my 16 gigs of DDR3 2400 megahertz Ripjaws X RAM. Of course, so here's the stock Intel cooler. Behind that, I have the 4960K 3.5 gigahertz processor with 4 cores. The motherboard itself is a Z87 Pro. I didn't want to go, too overboard because to me, it doesn't matter which motherboard you have as long as it's up to date and it's more modern. So I didn't want to go with the Z97 Deluxe or anything like that. Right here is my 750 watt 80 plus gold power supply. Of course, I don't need all that power, but I bought it because I could. This right here is my 2 terabyte WD Black hard drive. I love it. Of course, I could have did SSDs, but I didn't feel like doing SSDs at the moment. I can still do it whenever I want, but at the moment, I just didn't feel like doing it. This right here is my PC. Of course, you got one PC fan here. And you got 2 PC fans. Also here, these are here are 140 millimeter, and that right there is a 120 millimeter fan in the back. So in all fans are in pull mode. So basically, they pull all the air in. I need to push this one right here to push mode, and I think I'm going to do that today while I have it open. So here's my personal PC. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is amazing. Okay, there we go. Now I'll just switch that over to push mode so they actually push the air out, because it was in pull mode and it was just pulling air from the back of my PC in along with these two in the front. And so what they was doing is that it was just making the air more stagnant in the middle. And so I ended up with dust right here on my disk drive cage. And so I just went ahead and decided to push that into push mode so that the air goes out the back, comes in here through a filter and out the back right here, so that a lot of dust isn't accumulating in my case. And now let's turn it on. Of course, I can turn it on up here from this button right here, or I can turn it on right down there at the power button on the board. So I'm gonna do it this way, and we're gonna watch everything turn on. Oh, hey, everything must be working just fine. Everything come up and they're on my screen, up and running. Gotta love it. And now I have these 2 fans up here pulling air into my case. And I have this fan right here pushing the air that comes in back out. So that it's always moving air. So that it's not coming in here and here and it's just creating turbulence right here. And that's why I got all the dust right there already. But now all the air comes in here and goes straight out the back. It flows over the CPU, and the GPU gets a little bit of it from the bottom. And that right there is just sexy. Even though she's not on, the fans aren't on, she works wonders. Yeah, this is just my personal PC. Hope you guys like the video.